Now, handling autofocus in our app is going to be a pretty significant code change. So before you go off on your own, let's walk through the major decisions you'll need to make when using the Audio Manager API. So remember, API just refers to the classes and methods that are offered by the Android framework that you as a developer can use. Now let's start by requesting autofocus from the Audio Manager in order to begin playing the audio on the app. In the last quiz, we found that we need to call the request autofocus method, and it requires 3 inputs: an autofocus change listener object, a stream type, and a duration hint. So these last 2 inputs here, the stream type and the duration hint, are integers. Now when we call this method request autofocus, what should we pass in as the stream type, which will be our second parameter? And this refers to the type of audio that we're playing. So is it a song or a ringtone? And for the second question, what should we pass in as the duration hint, so the third parameter? And this refers to how long we need autofocus for. So do we need it for a short period of time or a long period of time? So as a hint, both of these answer choices should be integers. And more specifically, they should be integer constants that have already been defined in the Audio Manager class. So in the reference documentation for the Audio Manager class, if we scroll down to this public constant section, and then go down a little bit further, so these are all the possible stream types that you can pass into a request autofocus method. And you can refer to them as audiomanager.streamAlarm or audiomanager.streamDTMF, and so on and so on. And the descriptions for each stream type is on the right column here. So let's click into the stream alarm constant to get some more details. Now remember, a constant is a fixed value that never changes, and by convention, we name the variable in all capital letters. So it's often used to communicate a certain state. So in this case, our stream alarm has a value of 4, and that will never change. So when we pass in this constant value to the Audio Manager, it knows that we mean this particular stream type. Alright, so this takes care of it for our stream types. What about our duration hints? Let's navigate over here to our request autofocus method. And notice here, the different valid options for our duration hint are listed in the method description. So we have different ones such as autofocus gain transient may duck, and then a couple other ones. And each of these have explanations to help you choose which one is the appropriate one to pick. So feel free to search online for tutorials if you need help answering these 2 questions. And I'd like you to fill out your answers here, and then continue on.